Good morning, crypto family. Hope you guys are having a great morning. As you guys see this morning, fresh batch of fine art just landed on Mars. And it looked like DogelonMars is thinking about something. Could it be a potential another partnership, new partnership? As you guys know, L Bank had an interview with I don't know what about you, chief meme officer of DogelonMars. And it was a great interview. But with this tweet here, you know what I'm saying? It's just a lot going on. We don't really know what's behind him, but our time is near. Now, you guys seen yesterday, Chain. They said they would like to see Elon build on Chain so Dogelon can be multi-chain token, have a further reach in the crypto space. So it's a lot of things going on right now. As crypto, he says around $22 billion worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum options expired today. And that's huge. That's definitely huge. But this is what I want to. I've been telling you guys. Most people wasn't listening, but I know there was a lot of people listening to me. But remember how I told you that these institutions are buying these meme coins and gathering it up. Check this out. BlackRock now holds a portfolio at least $40,000 worth of meme coins and NFTs on Ethereum. On Ethereum. Now, you guys know about the Vita DAO, okay? We're connected to them. Remember that. So, you see how much the holdings of token, the whole 97 tokens. 97 tokens. And it's not showing all. So, you already know that they're holding some DogelonMars. So, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Like, this is huge. Vita DAO token. Come on, man. So when I tell you guys there is major potential in DogelonMars, you guys got to pay attention. Now we come over here to Gecko Terminal. As you guys see, we're down 9%, sitting at 24.44. And we still have more buyers than sales, but people are still selling. But that's not a major issue at this time. Okay. Now I wanted to show you this quick clip right quick of Larry Fink on tokenization. He says crypto real estate lets you buy, sell, and invest into physical, tokenized, and metaverse real estate with cryptocurrency worldwide. 1,700 plus properties in 80 plus countries. I'm going to play this clip.
Number, our own identification. We could rid ourselves of all issues around illicit activities about now. And we believe it's so important to be anticipating the next move. I would also say on the beginnings of a ETF Bitcoin, we believe ETFs are a technology no different than Bitcoin was a technology for asset storage. We believe the next step going forward will be the tokenization of financial assets. And that means every stock, every bond will have its own, basically, CUSIP. It'll be on one general ledger. Every investor, you and I, will have our own number, our own identification. We could rid ourselves of all issues around illicit activities around bonds and stocks and digital by having a tokenization. But the most importantly thing, we can customize strategies through tokenization that fits every individual. We would have instantaneous settlement. Think about all the costs of settling bonds and stocks. But if you had a tokenization, everything would be immediate because it's just a line item. And so we believe this is a technological transformation for financial assets. I believe if you want to talk about voting and voting choice and all the things, if we know every moment who is the owner of that stock, and it's now time to vote. Every individual who has ownership is identified and they can vote their own shares.
Is this the end of mutual funds?
I think, well, a lot of people, it's a wrapper. It's not the end of it, but I would say the dominant form of bringing products going forward will be in the form of ETFs. Now,
look at that, man. Look at that. I'm telling you, listen, they're about to get rid of mutual funds. And not just that, I'm still stoked on BlackRock holding DogelonMars. Again, they say the portfolio at least holds $40,000 worth of meme coins. But as you guys see here in token holdings, come on now, family. Come on now. We did a space with VitaDAO. Okay. They just showed you 5 tokens. Only 5 tokens. And there's a whole lot more. There's a whole lot more. So if this doesn't get you bullish, I don't understand what will. I don't understand what will. So as you guys see, BlackRock bought 3,500 Bitcoin worth $233.4 million yesterday. BlackRock now holds 241,000 Bitcoins worth 15.91 bullish. Now, you see, BlackRock is on making moves. I told you on the deck scan how the buying, people been buying and selling. The institutions putting people out there. I told you now. So shout out to Brad Garner House. Now, most people are asking me, they were worried about the whole Ethereum turn to a security and all this other crap. Here's Brad Garner House. The SEC picked fights with the industry and is losing badly in courts. They're now fighting fellow regulators like the CFTC and falling behind international counterparts. At what point will the SEC realize they will lose the war against ETH just as they lost against XRP? Family. Man, there's so much stuff going on in the space. It's crazy. As you guys see, Bitcoin sitting at 64,000, Ethereum sitting at 3410, family. So let's see real quick. Let's see VitaDAO. VitaDAO is at $2.59. Let's see the all-time high. It was around $4. $4 for VitaDAO. Okay. Let's get back to here. Dogelon sitting at 24.29. As you guys see on the chart, it's making the same formation as these shoulders right here. You guys see it, man. I don't even got to say anything. You guys see the formation that it's trying to do. Or it could just keep on going down. Again, we're close to the halving. So the prices are going to be unstable, whereas it can change. It definitely can change because it could shoot all the way up, because this is a whole different bull run. This is a whole different Bitcoin pre-halving, like I stated. So I cannot tell you what is really going to happen, but it looks like, we're just going to have one explosive ride. Okay. Now, as you see here, Peter Schiff highlights problem with owning Bitcoin ETF. Bitcoin investors responds self-custody is key. But I could have been told you that. I could have been told you that holding your own crypto wallet, but the only thing that's good about these IRA Roth IRAs, that the money will be tax-free. That's the only leverage that they have against us crypto holders, okay? One problem with owning Bitcoin in the ETF is that liquidity is limited to the United States market hours. So if the market crashes overnight, you have no ability to sell until the U.S. market opens for trading in the morning. Very frustrating to watch helplessly with no ability to get out, okay? And then when this is what he say. So if Bitcoin is going up, they'll go along for the ride. But once it enters a bear market, they'll bail out. When the liquidity of physical gold is questioned, Schiff replied, gold doesn't crash overnight like Bitcoin. So there is nothing to worry about. But here we go with this now. You guys know that Coinbase is now doing self-custody for BlackRock, I believe, that's what they're doing. And I have just seen that. Where was that? They just had a connection with BlackRock. And I ain't gonna lie to you. Coinbase has been making some moves, but this all just shows you right here that, that they're ready. They are ready to run. They're ready to run it up for this crypto space. Definitely. So as you guys see, we are excited to announce that Coinbase has been chosen as a key infrastructure provider for BlackRock and securitized tokenized investment fund. As you guys see right here, BlackRock launches first tokenized fund on the Ethereum blockchain. So you guys know that the whole SEC going against Ethereum is going to be bullcrap because we got BlackRock behind it. You guys know that DogelonMars is on the Ethereum blockchain. So this is just remaining bullish. What I'm just so hyped about is that I've been having a feeling that these financial institutions have been buying Dogelon. Not just Dogelon, but a lot of these other meme coins. But they have been purchasing Dogelon and they've been manipulating the market. I'm just letting you guys know. So once again, I thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys are not tapped in, tap in with me. I got to go to work today, so you guys know ain't going to be no updates today or tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Except for in the mornings.